What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do a quick video on actually a collapsible bucket. If you're a nerd like me and you do a lot of traveling or stuff that you just want a bucket that has stuff in your car so you could whether wipe down the bugs or give your car a car wash depending on what it is. This is the thing for you rather than traveling with a big bucket just sitting in the back with your materials and stuff. This is a collapsible bucket and you can see how thin it is, probably about a inch and a half thin. It folds on up, slides up, makes this, it's just sturdy enough to sit on its own. Zoom you back just a little bit. Show you guys that out a little bit. It's good enough so as soon as the water starts getting in there, it's actually gonna start pushing all the pressure on the outside so it'll actually stand up. But let's look inside it. That's I forget how many gallons it is. It's a couple gallons, but nonetheless, it's a nice little bucket. And like I said, it's good for traveling. Good if you're on the road and whether you want to wash your car or you want to just put a little bit of water in there so you can have a bug sponge and get all the bugs off the front of your car. This is the thing for you if you're big in traveling. Like I said, pretty awesome little gift that I picked up. I usually throw this in one of the cars that we travel a lot on, and just want to, like I said, keep it there just in case we get some big bird poop spots or anything that's obviously a lot of bugs. That's the corrosive stuff to the paint. So I try to get that off. So this is one of the things I do rather than just spraying it with a harsh chemical or something. You can just do it with some soap and water and at least get rid of it. So anyway, hope you guys like that video. It's another goofy little product that I have, but as always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe down below. I can use every subscriber that I have, that wants to give it to me. We've got to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to make this YouTube journey. So anyway, hope that video is good enough for you guys, and see you guys in the next one. See you guys.